guys, so today we're going to do lesson 2 of guitar, and we're going to learn about 2 more strings, the B string and the G string. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We already know E from the last video. We talked about F and G. Let's go from the bottom. We're going to go to the second string, which is B. Remember, we talked about elephants and donkeys grow big ears. So this is big today that we're going to look at. So B is a lot like E string. So when we put down the first finger and strum, it produces a C. And when we put down the third finger and strum, it produces a D. So now we know 6 different notes: E, F, G, B, C, and D. You would be right if you heard that the B is actually lower than the E string, because the E string is the highest string on the guitar. Let's look at our song for the B string. We're going to play 4 B's, 4 C's, 4 D's, and then an open B. All right, so we're all working on the same string. This is really important, and sometimes it's a hard concept to learn. When you are putting your fingers down, you want your fingers and your strumming to be on the same string. All right, let's try that one more time. 1, 2, together, play. All right, very good. Now I want you to play, and I'm going to play drum with you. Here we go. Here's the intro. Let's play. D. Now C. D. And strum. Very good. You can strum on that whole note, all 6 strings, okay? 1. Let's play. B. Excellent. Now let's go into song number 2 for the B string. Our next song is not just for the B string. It is actually for B and E. So we are actually going to be switching up strings. We're going to start with 4 B's, 4 C's, 4 D's. This is good for our fingers. 4 E's, then F, then G, and strum. Strum. All right, let's try it again, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, together, play. B. First finger, C. Third finger, D. Open E string, E. First finger, F. Third finger, G. And you can strum. All right, and we can just strum maybe the nylon strings. That makes a really nice sound. I'm going to play the drum, and you're going to play along. Here we go. Let's play. B and C. Third finger, D. Open E string, E. First finger, F. Third finger, G. And strum. All right. Did you get it? That was fun. Let's move on to our next string. So we know elephants and donkeys grow big ears. So we're going to now look at grow, which is the last nylon string on this instrument. It is the 3rd string from the bottom. This is G. We're also going to place our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret for the first time and produce an A sound. So we know G and A. Awesome. Let's see if we can use those notes. The last thing that we're going to do today is the G major scale. So let's go over it really quickly together and see if you can play it. Remember, the first videos that we're doing are just to get your fingers used to the strings and know what strings are which one. Later on, once your fingers know what string is which, we'll be able to start some chords. I know everybody wants to play chords first. All right, so now let's go ahead and start with open G string. G 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2nd finger, 2nd fret. A. Open B string. First finger, 1st fret, C. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, D. Open E string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, F sharp. And third finger, this is G. Now we have an entire scale, and scales are what we use to make melodies, okay? So that's what we need. We need 8 notes we can make a melody with. All right, let's try it again. G, second finger, second fret, A, open B string, first finger, first fret, E, third finger, third fret, open E string, F sharp, second finger, second fret, and G. All right, now I'm gonna play the drum. Let's play G, second finger A, open B string E, first finger C, third finger G, open E string E, second finger F sharp, and third G. You played a G major scale on the guitar. That's awesome. Now, if you can play that, we're going to try one more thing. We're going to try Ode to Joy. This is Symphony number 9 from Beethoven. Let's see if we can play it on guitar. Okay, so it looks like a lot of notes here, but it's really not that bad. It's not too bad. We're going to start with E, open E, which is a bottom string. Let's play it line by line. So here's the first 4 measures. So there is the first line. Let's see if we can play the second line. All right, that's the second line. And here's the third line. The third line can be a little tricky because we are going from third finger D to F in the second measure, and that can be a little bit hard, but let's see if we can do it. Here we go. Third line. All right. And the last line is just like the second line. Let's try to put it all together. Let's see if we can play it at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, together, play. Did you play it? Great job. All right, so I look forward to hearing you play either at school or online. Bye, guys.